It's Sandski, and I just want to quickly go over in this video what indicators I personally like to use and then how you can add them to your trading charts as well. All right, so here I'm on Webull right now, and this is the brokerage. This is the chart that I mainly use when I'm trading. And there's three different indicators that I like to go over the most. The first one is VWAP, which stands for volume weighted price or average prices. And then the second one is the 9 EMA and the 200 EMA. And EMA is basically just exponential moving averages. So I'll explain what they are or what they do as I add them. So first thing you want to do is go over here to the edit indicators, scroll all the way down to where you see VWAP, and then you simply just click it. And then I like to, just hit done just to make sure it's on here. But what this does is it's basically the price of, whatever stock you're looking at related to the average volume. So as the average volume goes higher, so does VWAP. And then as it gets lower, it drops as well. And I really like VWAP because, it just acts as a really tough barrier either for resistance or support. And it's really good because normally when price gets near it, it's going to either reject a lot or it's going to, break above and you can enter a good trade. The second indicator that I like to use, there's two of the same one. So once again, we go over to edit indicators. And this time you go over to the EMA. You select EMA. Mine's already preset. But right here, I have the 9 EMA. So if you wanted to change this, you could change it to whatever you want. But for this purpose, I'm going to go 9. And then you go over here to style. You can change you can go over to whatever color you would like. I have mine on purple right now just because it's a little bit easier for me to see. So, you can go to whatever one you want, make it a little darker, make it a little lighter. But then when you hit OK, then you hit done. So now you can see the purple. Then here's the 9 EMA. And what the 9 EMA does is basically it's just a greater significance on the most recent data points. So, VWAP's the average. The 9 EMA, it's gonna be a little clustered together. It's gonna be a little tighter data points. So, I really like this one as the 9 EMA helps me stay in and stay out of trades. So if I'm in calls, I'd really like for price to be above the 9 EMA as I know that, price action is strong and I think we're going to get a strong push, and vice versa for puts. If I'm in puts and then our candlesticks are below the 9 EMA, I'm like, hey, the market might be a little weaker. It's good to stay in there. And then finally, go into add indicators again, hit the EMA, and then I like for the bottom one to have mine as 200. So you can either do the 200 or the 120. And this one comes into play really when you're looking at the daily, the hourly, the 4-hourly time chart. This is good to, have a bigger picture look on it as, hey, maybe a couple months ago, price bounced off the 200 EMA at this price point. Let's be careful because, we're eyeing up 450. So once again, you would just type in whatever you'd want. So in this case, we'll go 200, style. Make sure you select it because, once I deselect it, the green goes away. But once I reselect it, it's back again. You can change any color you want. It doesn't have to be lime green. For me personally, that's just what I like. And then you hit done. And then once again, so it's pretty simple, but I preach simple is better. And you don't want to have a million different indicators on here. This is just what I personally like and what's worked for me. And, I can't wait to continue trading with you guys. Let me know if you have any other questions down in the comments below, and I can address those. Thank you.